Welcome to this demo on how to configure and consume the management pack for vcda. This vRealize Operations Manager management pack allows to monitor the VMware Cloud Director Availability incoming replicated workloads. I already installed the management pack before the demo. I now create the credential that will be used by the instance. I select the Cloud Director Availability adapter as the adapter type, and I enter now my Cloud Director credential. I want now to register the new management pack adapter instance. From the left pane, I select Other Accounts, Add Account, and then I choose the Cloud Director Availability adapter that was installed with the management pack. I provide a name, a description, and the connection information. For the cloud address, I have two options. I can provide a VMware Cloud Director address or a VMware Cloud Director Availability address. I choose to provide the Cloud Director address. The reason is that I have actually two vcda instances connected to this vcd platform. By using this method, it allows to fetch information from both vcda instances. That is also the reason I created the vcd credential in the previous step and not a vcda one. I can test the connection to see if the information provided are correct. As I'm using a self-signed certificate, I have a warning that I accept. Once the test connection is successful, I click Add to finish the configuration. Within a few minutes, the status will change from warning to OK. I can now check the object details of this new instance. While the Summary tab provides high-level information about the vcda adapter instance, I can monitor the relationships between objects in the Metrics tab. I see that I have 6 organizations and 14 vApp replications. The vcda management pack comes with a pre-configured view. From Dashboards, Views, I can enter vcda in the Quick Filter field. When I opened the view for the first time, I had to select a previous source. In the Cloud Director Availability adapter, I selected the adapter instance that I configured previously. The vcda incoming VM replications view shows a list of all incoming vApp and virtual machine replications with metrics and properties. The same view can also be used to generate a report. From the Report menu, I enter vcda in the Quick Filter. If I click Run, I can select the vcda adapter instance that I configured. Once that's done, the report is generating. Although I manually triggered the report, it can also be configured to run at a specific schedule. I can click on Generated Reports to download a PDF or a CSV version of the data. I will be using the pre-configured metrics to monitor all incoming replications to VMware Cloud Director. 2 inventory trees are available under Management Pack for Cloud Director Availability. I selected the tenant incoming replication as it's the most interesting one. From the tenant list, I can select a particular organization VDC and go in the Details tab to get a list of all incoming VM replications for that particular organization VDC. As you can see, I can access a replication object from multiple entry points in the inventory. The Summary tab provides high-level information, but the useful details are in the Metrics tab. Here I can select Metrics such as the consumed storage, the average instance size, the number of instances, and so on. I can zoom in to see the evolution over time. We also have the replication state, which can be used for various monitoring purposes. Besides metrics, we also have properties that describe how the replications are configured, such as the replication type, the SLA profile, but also information about the topology. I will now create an alert as I want to be notified when the incoming replications for tenant 1 are not healthy. From the Alert tab, Alert Settings, I create a new alert definition. I enter a name for my new alert definition and eventually a description. The next step is to select the base object type. I filter by replication and I select the VM replication object type. In the symptoms definitions, I'm going to add a couple of new symptoms. The first symptom is related to the replication state. I enter my symptom name, replication state is not healthy. I want this symptom to generate a warning every time the metric is not healthy. I'm adding the new symptom that I just created to the new alert definition. Replication state is not healthy. And then I proceed to the creation of a second symptom. I want now to filter based on the destination organization name. I want only to be notified for incoming replications in tenant 1. The last step is to add the second symptom to our alert definition. Our alert definition is now complete. My alert will be triggered when those two conditions are met. For the purpose of the demonstration, I manually stopped the replicator services on vcda. If I go further in details, I see that the overall health is red and the replication state is unknown for the concerned VMs. When I go in vRealize Operation Manager and check the alert sections, I see that there is an alert triggered for each replication object where the replication state is not healthy. This is a good way to monitor the replications for a specific tenant. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.